Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome to our first Vlogmas. This is a vlog for the week following Thanksgiving when we decorated our tree, I had surgery, and we made some Christmas candies. We're getting our snacks and drinks ready for our Christmas tree decorating tradition. I like to get the Hormel tray of crackers, meats, and cheeses, and everyone loves the tortilla chips and cheese dip. My husband makes it look really good. We picked this up at Food Lion, and it's a good one. So we usually get a real tree, but it was raining all day the day we wanted to decorate while our son was home on college break, so we pulled out our Christmas shrub, and that's what Scott is calling it now. Even though it's pretty small, it fit all of our ornaments, and honestly, this may be the way to go from now on because the decorating went really quick, and you'll see in a minute we like to sit down and watch our favorite Christmas movie afterwards. We decorate with ornaments we've collected over the years and the ones the kids made when they were little. We always laugh and enjoy looking at the Christmas memories we've made together.
We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance.
Our absolute favorite Christmas movie is Christmas Vacation, and you'll see in a minute that that's part of our tradition.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
And the kids made this special star, Christmas of 2006, and we use it every single year. I never want to change. If y'all know me or you've been watching for a while, you know I keep white Christmas lights in different rooms of the house throughout the year. And at Christmas I like the multicolored lights because they give off a nice glow and they match our star perfectly. Scott always hangs our stockings. I like to use the same ones we made when we first celebrated Christmas together. We just wrote the names on each stocking with gold glitter glue. And now it's time for pizza and a movie. We like to take frozen cheese pizzas and add veggies and turkey pepperonis. And it's time for Christmas Vacation. We can watch this movie over and over, and my husband can quote pretty much every single line from the movie. Comment down below what your favorite Christmas movie is. I wanted to talk about some of our favorite ornaments and decorations that could even make great Christmas gifts if you need any ideas. We've used Walmart Photo to make these picture ornaments, which I'm sure you've seen before. And I wanted to share that Scott gives me one of these ornaments every year with our family names on it. It's from a place set up in the mall. This would make a great gift for anyone. I love how it's one of our special traditions, and he already got me one for this year. I recognize the bag. And this one didn't fit on the front of our tree, and I didn't want to put it in the back, so I just set it on our bookcase for us to be able to look at it. You could get these types of personalized ornaments for someone in your family or make it a gift for a friend. And Provisions and Company is our favorite restaurant at the beach in Southport. Comment down below if you've been to Southport and if you've tried Provisions. And here's a homemade ornament we made with the kids when they were 9 and 11. We each wrote a little something on this one ornament with glitter pens and glitter glue. I just love seeing how the kids' handwriting was back then and their artwork. This is a beautiful nativity scene that lights up, another good gift idea. Scott's sister gave this to us one year and it's definitely a favorite. She finds some awesome decorative presents that we use every year. It's a plate with everyone's name on it and it comes with a stand to display it. She also gave us this sign for our door with our initial, and you can change the ribbon out for each season. And the same with the doormat, she gave us that too, and you can change the insert for each season. That's a great gift idea for someone. You can give them the mat and a few inserts so they'll be set up for a while. After the house is all decorated, I head in for surgery. I'll have more on the surgery in a different video, but we were super blessed with awesome staff, nurses, and doctors to take care of me. I also was very blessed with my husband, who took very good care of me. I did have to stay overnight, and y'all check out this amazing view. Luckily, we didn't get to enjoy the view because I was discharged pretty quick the next day. During my recovery, our friends and family really showed us the love by sending messages, hanging out with us, bringing us meals, gifts, treats, hugs, and lots of love. God really showered us with blessings and answered prayers. You know it's a good meal when we clean our plates this good. Willow is keeping me company when I'm resting. And another good meal, I'm in my same spot, everyone's serving me. This is chicken noodle soup and tomato soup with Ritz crackers and peanut butter and saltines. And Scott hangs our window decorations. These are actually wreaths from Walmart, smushed together to make like a swag. And the zip tie that holds the... Y'all, our family isn't used to having me video everything, so he's giving me the look right here. But I just had to share his genius idea. The zip tie that holds the bow on just gets closed up into the window. That's a good idea, right? Thanks, baby. And another meal together. All of the visits and family time and meals together really was nice. And now it's time to make some Christmas candies. Nana really made the candy, I just helped a little. You just top each pretzel with the Rolo, bake to melt the candy, and then press a pecan on top. So for Nana's coconut balls, she likes to make them without powdered sugar, which actually makes them really moist and delicious. You take one 14-ounce bag of sweetened coconut with 1 can of Eagle brand milk, mix that up, and refrigerate it. Then you roll into balls and freeze them until you're ready to dip them in chocolate.
We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long. We're gonna dance, dance.
One of the best things about Nana bringing this stuff and making this Christmas candy is that we were able to share them with our visitors who came by. Thanks, Nana. I am forever grateful for the gifts that people brought or sent to cheer me up during my recovery. This balloon is just happy, and I can't wait to see what this amaryllis looks like when it blooms. And it's a rainy day out, but these tulips are just beautiful and bright. And y'all check out these beautiful poinsettias. They are so vibrant. And the food, the hugs, the love, and the prayers. I'm so grateful. I wanted to share that if you pray for someone, if you send food, or even if you just drop by and bring a hug, it really does cheer someone up. So don't ever think it doesn't matter, because it really does. I hope you guys enjoyed watching our very first Vlogmas. Thanks for coming along with us while we recorded these memories. If you're new here, we hope you'll subscribe to be part of the Living Gratefully family, and we'll see you next time.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.